Good morning. I feel like I'm dropping tattoo flakes everywhere. So a few little updates from over here. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a minute. I did a podcast with Swolenormous. And they can find your podcast on the Swolenormous podcast channel. I got some tattoos on my tragus on both sides. I got this worked on, and we got a new little friend, and let me show you him. So this is Cheddar, but Mitch always calls him Chicken or Baby. So they're just eating some treats at the moment. They normally have like hay and things like that. They seem to get along really well. Mr. Pancakes doesn't want to play. Alright, it's time to head to the gym. I'm doing a little bit of shoulders and abs today because with my arm being a bit funny at the moment, I had to just squish in this sort of workout. I didn't want to train anything to do with arms, and I didn't want to do a big back workout just because the skin is kind of tight and sore. So just gonna do some shoulders, some abs, and then I'm gonna get back to my regular split.
I can't seem to let it go. Locked in this cage, I've been stuck here for days, and I can't seem to let you go. You pull me up and I put you down. You gave me love, then I stole your crown. You let me in, then I pushed you out. Pushed you out, pushed you out. Come let me make up for all these pain. I've been a mess, tied by all these chains. Open my eyes, now I finally see. It's a dark key. Yeah, can we be free? You pull me up. Yeah, can we be free? And I put you down. Well, I woke up and saw everything but you next to me. I know that I've been the enemy, but I've had my moment of gravity. Lost in the ceiling, caught up in this feeling, I can't seem to let it go. Locked in this cage, I've been stuck here for days, and I can't seem to let you go. You pull me up and I put you down. You gave me love, then I stole your crown. You let me in, then I pushed you out. Pushed you out, pushed you out. Come let me make up for all these pain. I've been a mess, tied by all these chains. Open my eyes, now I finally see. It's a dark key, yeah. Can we be free?
Do you want to say hi? Hello.
What do you think of my meal prep? Made it myself.
Hello. You may be able to hear some squeaking and yelling and things like that going on outside. It's because there has been construction outside my place for like the last 2 weeks. It's really been interrupting my filming a lot because I obviously need the sound for a lot of the stuff that I record. I'm gonna show you some of the exercises that I have been doing to actually strengthen my core. This is sort of mat work that I've been doing. I just do it at home. It's not part of my gym stuff. Since injuring my back, I fell down a staircase. In case you're new here, I've never injured myself in the gym. I've only injured myself doing stupid stuff in everyday life. So today is an active recovery day for me where I don't go to the gym or I don't go and do any cardio or anything like that. I just do some mat work before I get started. If you are new around here, feel free to come and join us. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you want to know when I upload a new video, because otherwise things get lost in the subscription box. I feel like I move my furniture around so much. Let me show you how I reordered things. Still gonna put the vacuum away, but you get the point. So I put the dining table over here with vegetables. This is soon to be probably spinach. Haven't moved things too much over here. Hi, pig. You guys can come out now. So Pancake used to roam around my office as he pleased, but Cheddar really likes eating plants, so they had to be migrated, and they go in this cage when we're like out or if we're asleep. While we're down here in the lounge room, they get to just do whatever they like. Are you coming out? Come on. So yeah, it feels a little more spacious over this side because there's this big empty section now. And we're quite open over here. More room for dogs to play, I suppose. So I spotted a couple little traces of mealy bugs on this plant. So I'm going to use some warm water and a little bit of Castile soap, just diluted, and I'm going to clean them all off. They are only on this plant, which is really interesting. Thanks for hanging out. Sorry this video took so long to put up. I was like, you know what, I'd rather just like wait a minute, put this one up and start filming some other stuff so that I can upload consistently again, because I do prefer when it's like regular days that I'm uploading. So should be back on track from now, I hope. Thank you guys for being patient, and I'll either catch you in my next upload or feel free to come on over and hang out on Insta.